Alright, so I'm going to show you how to sign out and sign in through KAMAR. So first, to start with, here I've just signed into KAMAR and I have my main menu open. You can have a look at the top left. It says main menu. Now once we navigate out of this window, we're going to lose our option of sign out. Okay, so like say for instance you're in Teachers and Details. Watch the top right here and that sign out's going to disappear. See, it's not there anymore, so you only have a logout button, which is not the same as sign out. Logout means you're just closing the application. Signing out means that it sends a message to admin to let them know that you've signed out and where you're going and how long you'll be away, that sort of thing. So if you're not in that main menu window, you won't be able to see sign out. So a quick thing to do is you just click up here at the top left, click on main menu, and here we are back and you can see sign out. So in order to sign out, you just click on sign out. They have a couple of preset reasons here, but if you need to say, I don't know, maybe home for the day, home, you can just write how long, what the reason is, and then you can say how long you're going to be, or it might be for the rest of the day, and then you just click sign out. So maybe I'll just put meeting and I'm out for 30 minutes. Click sign out. You can see it logs you out. Now if you go back in and you log back into KAMAR, what you'll see now is that this sign in button comes up here and it's red. What this means is I'm still signed out. I'm no longer on site. And let's just say I've returned from my 30-minute meeting and I would like to sign back in again. I'm just going to click sign in and that's it. So you're signed back in and you're now on site again. Question would be, if I sign out for the rest of the day, what happens? Well, from what I can tell, it seems that KAMAR just will sign you back in automatically on the very next day. So this is how you sign out and sign back in using KAMAR. Hope this helped.